सक्सेस होम ट्यूटर एक भरोसेमंद गारंटीड होम ट्यूशन है और ये होम ट्यूशन के अलावा ऑनलाइन टीचिंग का भी एक प्लेटफॉर्म तैयार कर चुकी है। तो ऑनलाइन ट्यूशन और स्टूडेंट्स के लिए एक होम ट्यूटरिंग ये जो सारे फैक्टर्स है इसमें अवेलेबल है। तो इस सक्सेस होम ट्यूटर को आप ज्वाइन करें और अपना जो फ्यूचर है वो ब्राइट करें। तो इसी तरह हम इस सक्सेस एजुटेक और होम ट्यूटर इनको अपनाए, यही विनती आप सबके लिए।
Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Success EduTech. Today we are watching some general knowledge questions and their answers for kids. Which gas is most abundant in the Earth's atmosphere? This is a question. The nitrogen gas is most abundant in the Earth's atmosphere. Which is the continent with the most number of countries? Africa. This is the right answer. How many people are there in the world? Answer. Over 7 billion people are there in the world. How many strings does a violin have? 4 strings does a violin have? Which is the most common non-contagious disease in the world? Tooth decay. This is the common contagious disease in the world. Global warming is caused by the excess of which type of gas? Carbon dioxide. What is the name of the biggest rainforest in the world? The Amazon rainforest in the world. What makes up approx 80% of our brain's volume? Water. Which African nation is famous of chocolate? Ghana. Which instrument is used for measuring wind speed? Anemometer. Which is the smallest continent in the world? Australia. What covers approximately 70% of the Earth's surface land or water? Water. What is top color in rainbow? Red. Which country is home to the kangaroo? Australia country is the home of the kangaroo. Which language is used by the computer to process data? Binary language. Stars and Stripes is nickname of the flag of which country? United States of America. Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to the United States? France. Who painted the Mona Lisa? Leonardo da Vinci. What is the name of the Greek god of music? Apollo. Who invented the telephone? Alexander Graham Bell. What does the SIM in the SIM card stands for? Subscriber Identity Module. Which is the first element of the periodic table of element? Hydrogen. This is the element on the periodic table of elements. Which is the tallest waterfall in the world? Angle Falls. This is the tallest waterfall in the world. So, today I am completing my GK quiz and answers. Namaskar.